Okay guys, we are back in the studio again. Hello and welcome to EDM Soaps. I am your host, Anne Marie, and today we are doing melt and pour soaps series. So right now I have already chopped this up and it still got huge chunks in it, and I'm trying to get it to melt. Our temperature is at 148, and we're just trying to get this done. Today we're doing our pure honey from Brambleberry. This is our fragrance pure honey, and in our colorant, our natural colorant today, the colorant is paprika, which has been infused with olive oil, and we have oatmeal in here as well. And we just ground it up, colloidal oats, however you say it. And we're just trying to get this broken up so that it will melt easier and get this going here. So we're trying to get it melted and get it stirred up so we won't have those chunks in our melt and pour. So we're trying to do this. So we're doing this little short series that we're trying to do for the summer. Well, it's not summer yet. The summer begins on the 20th. So we're still in spring mode, but it's hot like summer. And we're just trying to get this broken up. If we can get it broken up, it'll get melted quicker into the hot oils that we have here, with a hot soap, liquid soap. So I recently found out that you can take melt and pour and you can make it as a whoop soap. So you will have to melt it down, and you will have to take a whisk or your hand mixer, whatever that you have, hand mixer, stand mixer, and you will take this and you will make whoop soap out of it. You will whip it and you can use it like a sugar scrub, and whoop it up. You know, you can add your oils in here to make it moisturizing, and you can do that. So that being said, I'm just going to whip this up a little bit. And we're just going to add this to our base. Notes, we're using natural colorants, and that coloring is olive oil that has been infused with our paprika. So it's going to give it a lighter hue, a not a dark like turmeric, but a lighter color, lighter orange in colorant. So we're going to take some of our oils here, and we're going to incorporate this as much as possible so we can get all that goodness out. And then you have your oatmeal. Oatmeal is very soothing and calming to our skin. I remember when I was little and we had chicken pox, and my mother, you know, she puts calamine on our skin, and then she had us sucking in oatmeal baths and just to soothe our skin. And this is a light thing. I didn't want to add too much of the paprika scent because we don't want to get rid of the bubbles. I mean the bubbles when we soak with this. So this is what the oil looks like. It's a lighter tint than the turmeric. This is paprika, and paprika is a red tint, but it can give you a different color. Now, if you were this in cold process soap, it would be a different thing because you're adding more into your to make a deeper color. This is melt and pour, because you don't want to, you know, have a soap and it doesn't lather really good. It doesn't cleanse. It doesn't have lots of bubbles. So we put few additives in here, and we want to do it as possible, just little as possible. And so far, this is good. So our temperature that we're at is 136. So what I am going to do is we're going to add this here. We're going to turn on our scale. We're going to add in our Brambleberry Pure and Honey. It smells so good. Thank you, Brambleberry, for making such a good scent. Oh, this smells so good. And as I was thinking, I was going to add in a little bit of honey and a little bit of wax. So, be patient. I'll be right back. So I'm going to add in my favorite, and this is my honey with my beeswax in it. We're just going to add just a teeny tiny bit of it. I'm going to scoop some of the wax out, and we're just going to add this little bit in here. Not a whole lot. Just to give it that hue of give that a good mix. Oh, I love my honey. I do love my honey. I love my honey and my teas. So, we're going to take this and we're going to put it back onto our thing, because the hard part that it solidify. And I get in the film that's on my thing here. So we want to get this melted beforehand, before we even add in our fragrance oil. So I'm going to top this back up because I don't want to waste this. This is some expensive stuff. So we're just going to get this melted one more time. And we're going to get that wax. That wax is going to make it harder. And that honey is good for the skin. It's like a humectant, and it helps draws the moisture to our skin to keep it hydrated. I'm not going to heat this all the way. I'm just trying to get most of it heated up so it can melt. So I meant to add this in earlier, but I forgot what I was doing. My mind was just somewhere else. I forgot. I was just totally scatterbrained. Just got a lot going on. Decisions to make. What to do from here. And that little bit of beeswax, that's just to help it harden even more. So we're close to where I want to be, but not that close. So getting there. Well, let's see what our temperature is now. Alright, so I'm going to take this off again. And we're just going to stir this in. I'm just going to stir it in. That's what I like about melt and pour. You can just add it just a little bit on the heat, and it will melt, remelt right back down. So let's see what our temperature is now. Alright, we're good at a good, whatchamacallit, so I'm gonna still scrape what I can off the sides. And we're going to get that melted up really good. And you got a nice golden color. So nice. So nice. I love it. So nice. This the color that I actually wanted. I didn't want a... I was trying to figure out, do I need to put turmeric in here to make that golden color? But this worked out perfect. It's the color that I want. It's a natural color. Paprika infused with olive oil. And olive oil is a great moisturizer for your skin. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay. We're at 144. We're getting there. I don't want it cooled down too much. So basically what we're going to do is turn our scale back on. And we're going to get our thing here. And we're going to turn it again. We're going to add in our fragrance oil. And this is what I love about melt and pour. It smells so good. Now I could add more additives if I wanted to, but like I said, I don't want to reduce the production of the bubbles that I just put in there. You know, I don't want to reduce the lather. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour it into our round molds. And it's a pretty golden color. We have our honey, we have our oatmeal, and I'm just going to go back and add a little bit more to our station here. This is our, pure and honey. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. I wish they had smell-o-vision. Oh, this smells so good. So we're going to take our alcohol and we're just going to pop those bubbles. Get rid of those bubbles. Thank you guys for watching. We have done a turmeric soap. We have done a honey and oatmeal soap. And we thank you for joining us today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this series. We're going to be doing a whole lot of stuff here on this channel. But we're going to be doing stuff to help people be creative. And I like to be creative when I get inspired. I look at something, tell me what inspires you. If I look at a picture, or if I look at a tree or a butterfly, I like the colors or something that inspired you to make this soap. So what inspired me to make this soap, I wanted to do something different. I went to Brambleberry's little melt and pour soap queen, and they had different stuff I wanted to do. Couldn't do it like they did it because I don't have their kit, but this is what I have on hand, and this is what inspired me to do the soap series. So I had some melt and pour that I'm trying to use. We're trying to get ready for a show again, and we're just going to be glad that we are able to do these things, and hope that you go to our website, and it is www.edmsoaps.com, and it is Eden by Diane Marie. I am your host, and I thank you for joining me on this journey, and we will see you on the flip side of this channel. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Tell someone that you love them and that you care. Have a great and blessed day.